Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can integrate Matomo tracking in server-side with Google Tag Manager. So the first step is that you need to download the client template. So the client template is what you will get once you click on this link. So this is the file that you need to export. Then you need to log in Google Tag Manager and you need to create a server-side container. So this is what I did over here, and I use the automatic configuration, which is using the server of Google and not a server in between. For this, you will need to insert your credit card information and you will benefit from a free tier in order to be able to use their server for free at the beginning. Okay, so once it's done, you need to go to template. So I go to template, then you click on new template. So the template, it's what's going to recognize, let's say, the tracking code of Matomo. Oops, you just add it like this. As you can see, it's doing its job properly. Click the three dots, upgrade, blah, click save. Okay, so I click save. Then you navigate to clients. So in my case, I go now to clients. Okay. Then you click on new. Then you click over here. Then you select Matomo. Then you need to insert your Matomo JavaScript URL and Matomo domain URL. So in my case, they're over here. So I go like this. And I need as well to have a look on the tracking code. So if I go back over here, so JavaScript URL, that's the one with the CDN. I go back over here, that's the one, so cdn.matomo.cloud. Perfect. I go back over here and I just paste it. Lovely. Okay. Then I can keep it like this. It's gonna rename it. All good. So submit and publish. Submit, publish. So the first step is finished. Then copy the Google Server container URL. So here in my case, so that's the information that you get when you click over here in the admin. In my case, I already have it over here. So I can go open your server-side container. Okay, you can admit container settings, server. Okay, so I have it. So now you need to go on your page of your tracking code here. You take this out. You go within your website. So in my case, that's my website, and you just need to change the information according to it. So in my case, this one needs to be substituted by this one. Okay, and this one needs to be substituted by this one. All good. So here the most difficult part for you is in fact just to click over here in admin and just get an access to the URL. I'm not going to click on it because it's disclosing as well your email address and other information. But that's it. So once it's done, I can click on commit. I commit the changes. And I think I did everything up. So now I can simply go back over here. So just wait for my website to be deployed. And then when it will be down, I will be able to access it. So, okay, blah, blah, blah. Let's check out, complete the job. Everything has been built. I'm happy. Okay, so now I just need to access to my page. This is my page, and we say that it was. Okay, let's first check that I didn't receive any traffic at all yet. Okay, so I can go on my page of today. Here, as you can see, this is not the website that I'm trying to access to. So let's go over here. So this is my website. I can look into the code. Okay, here I can see that there is an error with matomo.js. Okay, so I can look into it. Okay, that's super interesting. You see, this is where I probably messed it up. I edited it twice, so that should be easy to debug. Let's look back at the source code of the website, which was over here. So, okay, what happened here? Nothing. And here it appears twice. Okay. So my bad. Let's go back over here. Okay. And now it should work as a charm. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, all good. So now if I refresh my page, I'm getting Matomo.js. So okay, so which is properly sent. Okay, so this one is good. And over here, I'm getting some additional errors. So let's have a look at those errors. Okay. Okay, and over here, as you can see, it's missing a final slash. So if that's the case, it means that you need to go back over here. Okay, you need to change this one, and here CDN, so this one looks good, and this one looks good as well. Domain URL and JavaScript URL, so the two look correct to me. So maybe again that was over here. Okay, here you need to add a final slash. You have no idea why I can't get it, because I know it. Okay, so you go back over here and you change this, and this is slash. Okay, you have ending slash. Okay, and in fact, I think, okay, so it's not precise here that you need to have a slash, but that's clearly a common mistake that we are doing. Okay, complete the job. Okay, all good. And now if I can refresh my page, it's so here there's still a final slash which is missed. Okay, so now as you can see, the request is sent properly. This is another thing. This is for the heat map and session recording, which is another issue, let's say. So here, as you can see, the request is properly sent. If I just refresh my page here, I'm getting my page which is properly tracked. In Google Tag Manager, what is happening is, like, if you put yourself in preview mode, you're gonna start to see the request passing. So in my case here, let's refresh my page. Okay, so normally we should see this request and maybe this request passing, and this is exactly what is happening. You see over here, you see the different requests which are getting caught, and then you can start to play with those. Okay, so you can see already the data which are getting sent. You can already play a bit with Google Tag Manager. So here we have a tracking which is somehow working, except for the heat map and session recording, but that's another thing.